Hello everyone, welcome back to Unfog with Atahar Parveen. In this session, I am going to take a mathematics class for arithmetic progression. Now this is there for Karnataka TET paper 2 and even for HSTR and CRIS also. Okay, here I have kept the syllabus also for Karnataka TET paper 2 first chapter. Arithmetic progression only is there, and for HSTR also arithmetic progression is there. Okay, both Karnataka TET and HSTR aspirants should and must watch this lecture for preparing for mathematics arithmetic progression. Okay, now one thing I can assure you all that if you attend this lecture and learn what all I am discussing in this lecture, then not even one sum from arithmetic progression will be wrong in your exam. I mean to say that you all will answer arithmetic progression 100% surety I am giving you. You will answer arithmetic progression question correctly in your Karnataka TET and HSTR exam. Okay, so much assurance I am giving you because you know that I do a lot of research before taking the class. I search for many important questions and also I give some tricks and tips in mathematics class. Okay, so please stay tuned and take pen and a paper if you don't have it right now, or if you are maintaining a book, then please take that mathematics book and then sit calmly and attend this lecture. Okay, so let us start. Firstly, we should know what is a sequence and what is a series. Sequence means some list of numbers will be there. It not only numbers, it could be alphabets also. So that's why we can say that some list of elements will be there, but that list will be logically related to each other. That type of list is known as sequence. Logically related means, for example, this list 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. This is a sequence. How is it logically related? See, after one number I have 2. After 2 numbers I have 4. After 3 numbers I have 7. After 4 numbers I have 11. After 5 numbers I have 16. So what is the logical relation? This is plus 1. This is plus 2. This is plus 3. This is plus 4. And this is plus 5. Means if I add 1 to first number, I will get second number. If I add 2 to second number, I will get third number. If I add 3 to third number, I will get fourth number. If I add 4 to fourth number, I will get fifth number. If I add 5 to fifth number, then I will get 16, the sixth number. Okay, so they are logically related. So this type of list of numbers or alphabets is known as sequence. Okay, I hope you understood what is sequence. Now what is series? Series means it is the sum of this sequence. It is the sum of this sequence. It is known as series. Okay. Now I'll give you simple summary. See, for example, if A1, A2, A3, A4, ... If this list is a sequence, then the corresponding series for this sequence will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 till AN. Means you are adding these numbers A1, A2, A3, A4. So this is actually sequence. If you add this, you will get series. Okay. So this was about series and sequence. Now third is progression. In progression, there are three types. Three types of progression are there. One is arithmetic progression. Second is geometric progression. Third is HP, harmonic progression. Okay. So these are the alphabets we use to denote them. Arithmetic progression AP, geometric progression GP, harmonic progression HP. Now these three things are there for HSTR syllabus, but for Karnataka TET only arithmetic progression is there in syllabus. Okay, so this lecture is all about only arithmetic progression. For HSTR people, geometric progression and harmonic progression I will do separately. Okay, But for HSTR people also, arithmetic progression is the most important. If they ask any question from these progressions, then they will make sure that at least one question will be there from arithmetic progression. Okay. Now, what is arithmetic progression? Basically, progression means it is list of numbers. Okay. That list could be having some logical relation. But there are different logical relations for different progression. Arithmetic progression will have different logical relation. Geometric progression will have different logical relation between the numbers. And harmonic progression also will have different logical relation between the numbers. Okay. But that relation will be of same type. See, for example, if you are talking about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, it will be list of numbers where you obtain each term by adding one fixed number to the preceding number. You will add that fixed term. Okay. That fixed term is known as common difference. Okay. So if you add one fixed term to the previous number, then you get this sequence known as arithmetic progression, and that fixed number is known as common difference. Okay. And you will start that arithmetic progression by some number, right? There will be some term, right? There will be first term. What is the first term is known as A. We denote that first term of the progression by the letter A. And this common difference we denote it by small letter d. Okay. Now, if I write a arithmetic progression, then how I write? First term will be A. I told you that it is first term, right? Then next term, I told you that arithmetic progression is you will add that fixed term to the previous term, right? That fixed term is D and the previous term is A. So next term should be D added to the previous term, A plus D. Now we got two terms, right? If we want the third term, again what we have to do? Again we have to add the fixed term to the second term. What is the fixed term? It is D, right? You add this to second term, that is A plus D. A plus D plus D. A plus D plus D. So third term will become A plus 2D and so on. Like that only. Again you add D to the third term to get fourth term. You will get A plus 3D. So this will be your arithmetic progression. Okay. Here there is a mistake. It should be A plus 3D. So this was about the progression. Now if I want to find the nth term of this arithmetic progression. See, first term we denoted by A, right? If we want the nth term, we denote it by A suffix n. Okay. This will be your nth term. Now we have a formula to find the nth term of the arithmetic progression. That formula is an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here what does these alphabet mean? An means nth term, A means first term, n means the number itself. Okay, whatever n you are substituting here, no, that nth number, here it will be there. Then 1 is, we know what is n, it is just a number, and D is the common difference. That is the fixed term which we add with the previous number to get the arithmetic progression. Okay, this is one important formula. Now next, if you are told to find the nth term from the end, means you are having one series, say for example you have this series 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now your end term is 10, you think, and you are told to find the nth term from this end. Again nth term you have to find. At that time you can use this formula. Nth term an, this will be equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. This L will be your last term. or end term. Here it will be 10. Okay, 10 will be L. So we got two formulae now. What are the two formulae we got? We have got those two formulae to find the nth term. First case is if you are given the first term and you know the common difference and you know which is the nth term you have to find. Then you can use this formula. If you don't have common difference and if you don't have first term given in that question and again still you are told to find the nth term, but they have given you the end term, the last term. In that situation, you can find an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. You can use this formula to find an. Okay. Remember these two formulae now. Okay. At the last, we can make the list also. Don't worry. Next, see, for example, if you want to find arithmetic progression with 3 terms, you know common difference will be d. What you will write? You can write your own arithmetic progression by yourself if it is not given in the question. How you will write? First you write a. Then the next term will be a plus d, right? Okay. What will be the previous term for a? It should be a minus d. Why? See, you add d with a minus d. You get a, right? So you got the second term by adding d here. Then you got the third term by adding d here. So a plus d became a plus d here. A minus d plus d became a here. That's why if you want to write the 3 terms in AP, there could be any 3 terms. It could be first 3 terms, it could be last 3 terms, any 3 terms they could be. They will have this relation every time. So these are the 3 terms in arithmetic progression. A minus d, comma a plus d. Why I wrote this? I hope that you got it. Why I wrote this? See here, if I add d, I will get a. Again, if I add d, I will get a plus d. This is only nothing but arithmetic progression, right? That's what we told, that we will add one fixed term, that is common difference or d, to the previous term. That's what we are doing from then, isn't it? Now this was the arithmetic progression a minus d, a and a plus d for common difference d. Now how we will write the terms? You have the common difference 2d. You have added one d to this d and you got common difference 2d. At that time, what will be your arithmetic progression? At that point, for first term you have to add d. In place of a, you have to write a plus d. Again for second term, now you will not add just d, you have to add 2d because common difference is 2d, right? So your next term will become a plus 3d. What will be your previous term? For previous term, you have to subtract minus 2d, right? If you subtract minus 2d, you will get a minus d. Again for previous term, what you have to do? Again you have to subtract minus 2d, right? Then you will get a minus 3d. So this will be your arithmetic progression. I have written the 4 terms of the arithmetic progression with common difference 2d. You can go the other way also. You add here 2d. You will get a minus d. Again you add 2d. You will get a plus d. Again you add 2d. You will get a plus 3d. Okay. So you have to keep in your mind the value of common difference. Then you can write any arithmetic progression by yourself. Okay. So this was one thing. Now another important formula is if you are told to find the sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural numbers. In this situation, you have to use this formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. That sum you can denote it by s and n natural numbers, right? So you can write it as small n. Here suffix Sn will be equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. They have not given you any arithmetic progression, any series or any sequence. Nothing is given. Just they are telling you to find the sum of first n natural numbers. You just use this formula n into n plus 1 by 2. You will get the answer. Okay. In place of n, it could be 10, it could be 20, any number could be there. It could be 5, it could be 1000, anything. Whatever is there here in place of this n, that you substitute here. You will get the sum of that first natural numbers. See, for example, sum of the first 10 natural numbers. You write 10 here. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 means 10 into 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 into 11 is 110 by 2. So 110 by 2 will become 55. Sum of the first 10 natural numbers will be 55. Okay, it is like that. Now, again, if you are told to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression, and they have given you the first term, they have given you the common difference, just you have to find the sum of the n terms. At that time, you use this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will be the formula you have to use. Like you used an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. To find the nth term, you use this formula, right? If you have the same details in the question, then you can use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d to find the sum of n terms. Okay. We have another formula like that. We found this, no, an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. We use this formula if we don't have a, right? If we don't have a in the question, we use this formula. Like that only for Sn also we have one formula. This Sn will be equal to n by 2 into a plus L. L will be the last term or end term. Okay. So we have 4 formulae now. Okay. Those 4 formulae, first is we can find an using these 2 formulae. If we have the first term, we can use this formula. If you don't have the first term, if you have the end term, then you can use this formula. Same manner, to find the sum of n terms, you can use this formula or this formula. How to use that formula? You have to read the question and understand what terms have been given in the question. If they have not given common difference in the question, then you can use this formula. Okay. Now, there is relation between the an and Sn. What is the relation? That an will be equal to Sn minus 1. Means the nth term and sum of n terms, they are related. An is equal to Sn minus 1. Why? Just because of the arithmetic progression. Okay, because that is how we are writing the arithmetic progression, right? Sum of the numbers minus the sum of the previous numbers. Okay, this will be your nth term. Again, you can also relate common difference to an. Common difference will be equal to an minus 1. For the same reason, because they both are arithmetic progressions, that's why you can write the nth term is equal to sum of n terms minus sum of the previous n terms. Same way here also for common difference. Okay. So these are the formulae which we have learned now. What all we have learned? Now we have learned these 2 formulae. Previously, what are the formulas we have learned? To find an. Okay, 1 minute. I will make list here. That's better. If I make a list, it will be easy for you. Now you can find an by using 3 formulas. One is, if you have the sum of n numbers. If you have the sum of n numbers given in the question, you can find this using this formula 1. Then formula 2 is our usual formula. If we have common difference and first term, we can use this formula. And third formula which we can use is if we have the end term, L minus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now if you want to find the sum of the numbers for first n natural numbers, you can use this Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Then next formula, if you have a and d, you can use this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next formula you can use if you have this end term. If you don't have the first term, if you don't have the common difference in the question, then you can use it, a plus l. Okay. These are the 6 formulae which we have written. And seventh formula is also there. If you don't have common difference in the question, if you are being told to find the common difference and you know an, then you can find common difference using this formula. Okay. So these are the 7 formulae which you must remember, because see, without knowing this formula also you can solve any arithmetic progression sum if you just know these 2 formulae, number 2 and number 5. You can solve, but it will be very tough. You will not have so much time. It will become very lengthy. At that time you will waste your time and you will not reach to your final answer. So in arithmetic progression, one must learn all these 7 formulae, because these 7 formulae, they all include the tips and tricks to solve the arithmetic progression sum. Okay friends? Okay, now I will solve multiple choice questions based on these formulae. I have gathered around 15 questions. Let us solve them. You will get an idea about how to solve these numericals. Okay? First question, question number 1. 3 numbers in AP have sum 24. The middle term is, you have to find the middle term. They have given you 3 numbers whose sum is 24. So first of all, what are the 3 numbers which we write in arithmetic progression? Just now I taught you, right? A minus D, A and A plus D. Now they are told that their sum is 24. Sum is 24 means you can write A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. Or you will get cancelled with the D. You will have remaining 3A here. This one will be 24, or A will be 24 by 3, or 8 3s are 24. So 3 1s are 3 8s are. So your correct answer will be 8. Option B will be the right answer. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. If nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n plus 7, then 7th term of arithmetic progression is. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This an is only nth term, right? Now that they have given that nth term of an AP is 2n plus 7 they have told. That means in place of an you have to write 2n plus 7. Now what is the value of this? It is 2 into 7th term they have told. N is also 7 plus 7. So 2 7s are 14 plus 7 will be 21. So without using this formula only we got this answer, because in place of this formula, in place of a plus n minus 1 into d, they have given 2n plus 7 in the question. So without using this formula only we got the answer. Just we have written n is equal to 7, because they are telling that it is 7th term, right? So 2 into 7 plus 7 will be 14 plus 7 or 21. So your correct answer will be option B. Now if you want to write the other terms, see, n is equals to 7 you have written. If you want to write n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 3, how you do for this particular question? It will be 2n plus 7, right? So it will be 2 into 1 plus 7. It will be 9. Then for n is equal to 2, it will be 2 into 2 plus 7. It will be 4, right? It will be 11. Then for n is equal to 3, 2 into 3 plus 7. It will be 13. Okay. This is according to this question, 2n plus 7. Okay. I hope you understood. Okay. Next question. If the sum, that is third question. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 5 by 2n square plus 3n plus 2. Now this is Sn itself. Sn. Then sum of its 10 terms is, we don't know what is S10. We have to find S10. Okay. Now S10 is equal to 5 upon 2 into, what is n now? It will be 10. N square. Because we are going according to this equation. They have given this equation as Sn, right? So we are going according to this. Plus 3 into, what is n again? 10 by 2. So this will be equal to 5 by 2 into 100 plus, here only I can cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are. It will be 15. This will be equal to, again here I can cancel, 50. It will be 5 5s are 25. 250 plus 15. So my S10 will be equal to 265. Option D, in third, option D will be the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 4. If nth term of the AP 4, 7, 10 is 82, then the value of n is. See here what they have told, nth term they have given, an will be equal to the arithmetic progression is there here. You write the arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10. We don't know what is the end, but an is 82. They have given an as 82. But we know the formula for an, as they have not given any relation here. We know it is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 82. Now with this series, I have this series 4, 7, 10. Okay, the arithmetic progression is there here. Now a will be 4, and what will be common difference? To find the common difference, we do 7 minus 4. This will be equal to 10. Or we do 10 minus 7. This will be equal to 3. Here for 7 minus 4 also we got 3. For 10 minus 7 also we got 3. What we did? We subtracted 7 minus 4 or 10 minus 3. We should get same common difference for full progression. Remember, common difference. That's why that name common is there, right? The difference should be common. So the common difference we are getting is 3 and A is 4 according to the question. We have to find n. We have to find the nth term. Now we can easily find it, right? Just substitute. In place of a, write 4. In place of n, we write n because you have to find n. In place of d, you write 3 and this will be 82. Or n minus 1 into 3 will be equal to 82 minus 4. Or n minus 1 will be equal to, here it should be 78 by 3. Or 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 6s are 26. Or n will be equal to 26 plus 1. This will be 27. 27 should be the right answer for B. Okay, this is how we find the nth term. Next, question number 5. If A, B and C are in AP, then what is the relation they are telling? They have given 4 options. For that question number 5, first we have to find common difference. That common difference will be equal to, see, there is one progression. What is the progression? A, B and C. Okay, this is the progression. A will be the first term. What will be the common difference? Common difference should be B minus A or C minus A. Both will be same because it is common difference, right? So that common difference should be B minus A or C minus B. Sorry, it is B. C minus B, right? B minus A, C minus B. This will be your common difference. But this B minus A should be equal to C minus B, right? Because it is common difference. Now we can equate to find things, right? B minus A minus C plus B will be equal to 2B minus A minus C. Or 2B, again if I put it that side, A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. Or if I take B only left hand side, 2 will go down. It will be A plus C by 2. A plus C by 2. Option B will be the right answer in number 5. Okay. Now next question. Question number 6. 12th term of AP is X. This AP they have given. What is the AP they have given? They have told it is X minus 7 comma X minus 2 comma X plus 3. This is the arithmetic progression. You have to find the 12th term. 12th term means A12. You have to find. With this you can find the common difference, right? Common difference will be equal to X minus 2 minus X minus 7. If I do like this, I can do like this also. It is my wish. I am taking first 2 terms. So this will be equal to X minus 2 minus X plus 7. X will get cancelled and I will get D will be equal to 5. Now I got D, right? I can use this formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A12 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? It will be X minus 7, correct? They are given it in the question. So this will be x minus 7 plus, what is n? N will be 12. We have to find the 12th term, right? So it will be 12 minus 1 into 5. D we have just now found. So this will be equal to x minus 7 plus 12 minus 1 will be 11. 11 5s are 55. Or this will be equal to x minus 7 plus 55 or x plus 48. So 812 will be x plus 48. Option C will be the right answer. Okay. So in question number 7, we have to find the common difference. It is very easy, right? The arithmetic progression they have given is 8 1 by 8, 8 2 by 8 and 8 3 by 8. First what you do, you convert them into improper fraction. It will be 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 1 will be 65, right? So it will be 65 by 8. And here it will be 66 by 8. And here it will be 67 by 8. It is simple. Now common difference, what you do? You subtract it like this, right? It will be 66 by 8 minus 65 by 8. Or it will be 1 by 8. Or if I do 67 by 8 minus 66 by 8, it will be 1 by 8. So my answer should be 1 by 8. So option A should be the right answer. Okay, moving on. Question number 8. The nth term of AP. They have given one arithmetic progression minus 5, minus 2, comma 1. You have to find the nth term. What you do? We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A according to the arithmetic progression, a here it is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. What will be d? You have to do minus 2 minus of minus 5. This will be minus 2 plus 5 or 3. Or if you have doubt, you do the third thing. Either you subtract like this or you subtract like this. Both are one only. 1 minus of minus 2. It will be 3. So here common difference is 3. So here in place of d I write 3. This will be my nth term. An will be equal to minus 5 plus 3n minus 3. Or an is equal to minus 8 plus 3n. So minus 8 plus 3n. Or I can also write as 3n minus 8, right? So 3n minus 8. Option D. In 8th question, option D will be the right answer. Okay. 9th question. If the nth term of an AP is 5 minus 3n, then common difference of the AP is. First what they have done, they have given you nth term an which is equal to 5 minus 3n. Now they are telling you to find the common difference. To find common difference, I have given you one formula which uses only an and an minus 1. Remember that formula, you can use it here. an minus 1. But we know what is an. 5 minus 3n we know. We don't know what is an minus 1, right? So let this be 1. Now you find an minus 1. What you do to find an minus 1? Wherever you have n, you write n minus 1. That's all. 5 minus 3 into n minus 1. This will be 5 minus 3 n plus 3. Or it will be 8 minus 3n. This will be your an minus 1. Now you subtract 1 minus 2. You have to do that to find d. So 5 minus 3n minus 8 minus 3n. See, you have to write minus with the bracket. If you forget to write the bracket, then your answer is wrong. 5 minus 3n. I will erase this. It will be confusing or else. Minus 8 minus into plus will be, sorry, minus into minus will be plus 3n. This will be cancelled and here you have minus 3. So minus 3 will be the right answer. The common difference is minus 3. Option B will be the right answer. Okay. See, only because you know the formula, you could do this question number 9, right? If you didn't know the formula, how you could do it? So that's why I gave you those 7 formulas for arithmetic progression. You must know them. Okay. Next question number 10. If 5, 2k minus 3 are in arithmetic progression, then value of k is. This is very simple. What is the arithmetic progression they have given in number 10? It is 5, 2k minus 3, 9. Now what you do? It is simple. You can use common difference. What is common difference? You subtract it like this, right? Any two terms you take, your wish. I will subtract second term minus first term. It will be 2k minus 8. This is one thing. This is D. Let me have this as 1. Now I will go for these two digits. It will be equal to 9 minus 2k minus 3. Third term minus second term. It will be 9 minus 2k plus 3, or D will be equal to 12 minus 2k. This will be my second term. Now common difference is same, right? Because it is common. For one arithmetic progression, both the D's will be same. So I can equate 1 and 2. 1 should be equal to 2. That's why 2k minus 8 will be equal to 12 minus 2k. Or I put that 2k this side, it will become plus 2k. I put minus 8 that side, it will become plus 8. It will be 4k plus 20, or k is equal to 20 by 4, or it is 5. So k should be 5. In question number 10, k should be 5. Option B should be the right answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 11. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. This thing already we did in our example, right? Sum of first 10 natural numbers. We have one direct formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. They are telling 10 natural numbers. So put 10 in place of n. 10 plus 1 by 2. It will be 10 into 11 by 2, or it will be 110 by 2, or it will be 55. Option B will be the right answer. Okay. Okay, moving on. Question number 12. Ninth term from the end of the AP 7, 11, 15 till 147 is. See, this is the arithmetic progression given. And 147 is the end term. Okay, remember that formula we used for an with the end term? They are telling us to find the nth term, means ninth term here, right? So an, we have this formula, L minus n minus 1 into D, or A9 you have to find, right? And what is L? L will be 147, the end term. 147 minus, in place of n you write 9, minus 1. Common difference you can find. It is 7, 11, 15. To find the common difference, you do 11 minus 7. It will be 4. So, here you can write it as, or A9 will be equal to 147 minus 8 into 4, or 147 minus 32, or A9 will be equal to 115. Option C, 115 will be the right answer in question number 12. Question number 13. If the sum of n terms of an AP is n square, then its nth term is. See, the other formula we are required now. What is that? The relation between Sn and An. What was that relation? Remember, An will be equal to Sn minus 1. Because they have given Sn is equal to n square, they are telling us to find An. See the question properly. If the sum of n terms of an AP is n square, then its nth term is, we don't know what it is. Sn we know it is n square. Then what will be Sn minus 1? No, just to find Sn minus 1, by substituting n minus 1 in place of n, you use this formula a minus b whole square. You get a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So here you get n square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2n. So this is Sn and this is Sn minus 1. Now use our formula. An is equal to Sn minus 1. What is Sn? It is n square minus, don't forget to write this bracket or else your answer will go wrong. Okay. N square plus 1 minus 2n. So you get n square minus n square minus 1 plus 2n. So this n square will get cancelled and your An will be 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Option A will be the right answer. Okay. Next question number 14. The sum of three numbers in AP is 30. What are the three numbers? We know them, right? It should be A minus D, A plus D. Now sum of these three numbers is 30 it seems. And the greatest number is 13. Means it is A plus D, right? A plus D will be the greatest number. This will be 13. This let us keep in mind. Now let us use this again. Here D will get cancelled and I will have 3A. 3A will be equal to 30 or A will be equal to 10. Now use this equation to find D. 10 plus D is equal to 13 or D is equal to 13 minus 10. So D will be equal to 3. So option B should be the right answer. Next question, question number 15. The sum of 6th and 7th terms of an AP is 39 and common difference is 3. Means they have given A6 and A7. They have given the sum for these two. It is 39 and they have given D. D is 3. We have to find it. We don't know what is it. Now A6 means we know the formula, right? What is AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what will be A6? A6 will be A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Plus what will be A7? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. This is 39. So here it will be A plus 5D plus A plus 6D will be equal to 39 or 2A plus 11D will be equal to 39. This we have. But D is 3, right? They have given. So I can substitute it here. 11 into 3. This is equal to 39 or 2A plus 33 is equal to 39 or 2A is equal to 39 minus 33 or 2A is equal to 36 or A is equal to sorry, it is not 36, it will be 6, right? 39 minus 33 will be 6. So A will be equal to 6 upon 2 or it is 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So option D will be the right answer. Okay. So these were the 15 multiple choice questions which I have given you the variety using all the formulas which I have discussed here. Okay. Now this one question is there from Karnataka TET model question paper which they have given in the website. No, in that website. Actually, I have given these question papers in the Telegram channel also. If you have not joined it, so please join it now. The Telegram channel because I keep sharing material there. Okay. The question is, in an arithmetic progression, 7 times the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. Then 18th term of the arithmetic progression is. Here in this question, they are telling that A7 into 7 is equal to A11 into 11. 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. What will be A7? It will be A plus N minus 1 into D. 7 minus 1 into D. It will be A plus 5D. What will be A11? It will be A plus 11 minus 1 into D. It will be A plus 10D. Correct? Now I can substitute it here, right? 7 into A plus 5D is equal to 11 into A plus 10D. So I will have 7A plus 7 5s are 35D equal to 11A plus 110D. I'll put A as one side. 7A minus 11A and D is one side. 110D minus 35D. So I will have 4A minus 4A is equal to what will be 110 minus 35? It will be, then A will be equal to 75 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 35. So my A will be 17. Correct? 75 by 4 will be 17. So here I have minus also. Now my A became minus 17D. Now I can easily find A18, right? A18 is equal to A plus N will be 18 minus 1 into D. Now what is A? It is minus 17D plus this is 17D. So A18 will be equal to 0 because minus 17 plus 17 is equal to 0. So option 4 will be the right answer. Now this is the other question given in the Karnataka TET model paper. I am sure this question is very important question and very useful for HSTR people also. This question I am giving you as an assignment. If you don't get this sum, please do let me know. I will share the answer in the Telegram channel. Okay. So this was all about the arithmetic progression. I am sure that this class is more than enough for you all, for you to attend this HSTR and Karnataka TET exam for the arithmetic progression questions. Okay. I am very sure that this lecture is more than enough. Okay, friends. So please solve all the questions which I have discussed here and try to solve by yourself also. Okay. And as usual, I would like to remind you all, please do like my videos, share my videos, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. Okay. And I will try to upload more and more maths lectures. Don't worry. I'm getting so many comments in Telegram and YouTube that you all want maths lecture both for HSTR and Karnataka TET people. Now this lecture is particularly from arithmetic progression, and both the Karnataka TET and HSTR people have it in their syllabus. That's why I'm doing one lecture for both aspirants. From next time onwards, maybe I will see the syllabus properly, and particularly for each exam. For Karnataka TET, separate chapters I will make, and for HSTR, separate chapters I will make. Okay, friends. Thank you then. All the best. Bye.